West Bank is absolutely Palestinian territory. Erdogan. West Bank settler hits injures Palestinian youth with car. Israel arrests 21 Palestinians in West Bank raids. Hamas slams Omani diplomat over pro-Israel remarks. Security conditions normal in Tripoli, Libya government. US keeps pressuring Turkey against Russian S-400 deal. Turkey's Erdogan, Putin talk priority issues in Moscow. Iraq judiciary asks Erbil to arrest ex-Nineveh governor. Yemen's Houthi declare emergency over cholera outbreak. US designates Iranian Guard foreign terrorist group. Algeria's main Islamic party to avoid assembly session. Afghan forces kill 99 Taliban militant in 48 hours.